Hi, this is Dr. Chung. I'm repeating this video because previous video there are voice overlaps, so you can hear and can understand what I'm saying. Okay, so sorry about that. Then I'm recording again. Uh, so first of all, I'm just working on this video for your assignment 1, report 3, and then you may work with a previous version of Lumira or predictive analytics uh, 3.3.5, and but problem is that you can have a write uh, the graph like page 23. So there are issue of converting the date format. Uh, so Lumira new version discovery really well just cover this part. So I'm just showing you how to use Lumira to handle this issue. Okay. Uh, so first of all, you have to just have a Lumira discovery and install and enter the key code to activate. So once you install, then you can have a screen like this. Okay. So this is screen that you have it on your desk. Okay. Okay. So first of all, you have to import Excel data set. Okay. Click the Excel, Microsoft Excel. Then you're under exercise 1. Then global bike data set. So click this. Then import. Okay. So it takes time to load it the data set. Okay, so this is data set, then you have it, and so the so you have to click this visualize to take a look at this. Okay, so use the data set, and right side is gonna be just screen edit the graph mode screen part. Okay, so it's two parts with data set in left side in the menu, which is measures variable and dimension variable. So you see the difference between two part, and most measure is a measurable thing. Okay, so like uh, cost of goods, revenue, price, things like that. So even order number here, but the other one should be dimensions. Okay, so one of problem with your data set in payment receipt date. Okay, so payment receipt date is not another date format. It's like unlike quote date. So you see the small icon, quote date and payment receipt date. Okay, so I would like to this one change it to date format. So but previous version you may see the option to write to this variable, but now it can see that one, so no option icon. So what you do, right click. Okay, right click or just left click, then you see this same thing. Okay, right click and see the sub menu like this, and then click to convert it to. Okay, so convert it to date format. Okay, then source the date format is DDMMY, so you have to change it to write US date format, which is MMD/DD/YYYY. Okay, so let just scroll down this bar. Okay, okay, further by. So okay, it looks like pass MMDDYY. Oh, okay. Here MMDDYYY. So this, okay. And then we don't need a time, so just only date. Then click OK. So you see the dimension. You see payment receipt day. So you want to see the how it looks like. Then you see data view here on the right top. Click this. So you get have this also. Okay, first one is quoted is date format, which is US format, and right here, okay. But we want to see payment receipt date, okay. So payment receipt date is appear here, okay. But this is not right format, so this is not date format. So now we have a payment receipt date 2, which is date format with the US date format. So we got this, okay. So we confirm this, and then now go back to design view. Okay, then I would like to add a graph here, just column bar. Click this. It's a column bar. Click this column chart. Okay. So it's gonna be just move this a little bit and then make it bigger. Okay, and if you click, then gonna be the pop small menu, the right tweet. So click maximize. You see here, we can see this X, Y color trellis, things like this. So this is similar to previous version. So let me show you previous version. So like this, right? This is previous Lumida or predictive analytics. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna have a calculate dimension, which is page 17. So click the quote date. Okay, now right click, create calculation. So this is same as calculate dimension. So click this. So this here, calculation dimension. Okay. So we see the name of this. So what's the name of this? There is difference between quote and payment. Okay. 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 Now we have a formula box here. Then we have to enter a formula, so we don't need this quote date. So delete this. And then we have a function. What function we're gonna use? It's just click the date and time. So where you see the date difference states start and end. Okay, so double click this. Okay, so enter into the box. Then you just enter first dimension. So click the dimension, which is first dimension is quote date. Okay, let me use a scroll bar. Okay, quote date. Okay, next second one is payment receipt date. Okay, so scroll bar down. So we want to use this number 2. So payment receipt date 2. Double click. Okay. So the calculation is valid. So we done. Okay. 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 Now go to see the dimension in days difference between quote and payment. So click this. Right click and create measure. Okay, so that this dimension goes to the measure area, so create measures. Okay, now see this date difference between quote and payment. Okay, the right click and then change the aggregation, so sum to average. Okay, so gotta change it to average. Okay, now there is difference between quote measure, dragging to Y. Okay, here, so you see something like that. Okay, so next one we're gonna add what sales area. I think sales area description. So in the measures, okay, sales area description here, right? So this, okay, dragging to color. Okay, sales area description. Okay, now we see it like this. Okay, we almost done, but see here, you won't be able to use this filter. I think you have to use this add filter. Click this add filter. Okay, over here, what you do, you have to use year. Okay, in the measure. So this is year, but what you do, you wanna use all year except 2013. So click select all and just remove 2013. Okay, now gonna be okay. Okay, finally you have to add labels here so that you can see each year the days for each bar sales area. So click show data label. See here, so just check page 23. All data here is same as page 23. So you have to check this one so that you are done correctly. Okay, so this only SAP Lumira Discovery works on well, and then display right graph. Okay, column chart like this. Okay, okay. And so again, I show you this here. This this is subtitle that you're gonna use. So predictive analysis 3.3.5, discovery 2.3, and also Lumira is old one. I think it's all. If you install this, maybe use the 30 days trial version, but you already have installed this more than months, then it's already expired. So my case, I already installed this one a year ago, so I can no longer use this. Okay, so that's I used to use. Then even predictive analytics, I just installed and then look up the expert analytics. It's the same as Lumira, but it's just something like this. It's older version of Lumira. Okay, so that's it. So hopefully this video quite help you this time, then correctly address the issue of conversion of a date format. Okay, thank you.